Here is a Fanimation Kwad ceiling fan. I got this fan back in March, but this is a remake video of it. But this time I figured out how to premiere a video because I premiered the video of my Concentro with high gloss oak blades. So yeah, this is the video of this fan. The light's already dim. Let's brighten up the light. Let's dim it back down. Here's low. Alright, that's about low. Here is medium. Oops. Let's brighten up the light. Well, I don't like the light that bright. When I have the light like bright like that, it gives me a headache. It gives me. That's why I leave it dim like this when I want the light on in this fan. I don't like it when this fan makes a ticking noise. I do have it on medium. I had it on medium all summer. And sometimes it would make a ticking noise. Sigh. Am I still recording? And let's stop it. The bearings did have it freed up on this fan because back when it was new in the box, the bearings, the spin down would be a little quicker, but now the spin down time is kind of improved on here. I'm gonna probably plan to do the Fanimation Kwad in the other bedroom, I think, next year. Now, my mom does not want me to change out the fans in my room, but other collectors do that. Well, I did have a weird dream one time where I had a bedroom that was bigger like this. I had a Hunter low profile and polished brass, but then in my dream, I actually changed it out for a Stratford, the 4-light model, not the Stratford 2. I like the 4-light model better. But that was just a dream. In real, my mom does not let me change out the fan. Now let's reverse it without interrupting spin down. Here is low. Well, during the winter time, medium just gets my room cold, so I just leave it on low in the winter. And I left it on low sometimes during the fall and cool days, but I leave it on medium mostly on warm days. Here's medium. Hi. I meant to say, well, it's like high speed. Back to where I found it, which was low. And, yeah, thank you for... Your battery's dying. Anyways, thank you for